So here's how to import Shopify products from other stores. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to click on the add apps option. After that, at this pop-up window, you have to scroll down and go to the Shopify App Store option. Moving to the next step is here at this page, you have to search for the Shopify app. The next step is here you have to click on this app. Then here click on the install option to install this app on your Shopify store. Now click on the install app option at the top right corner. After successful installation of the app on your Shopify store, now you have to simply click the product link. Then here you have to simply paste the product page URL and then it will automatically copy the product details and paste into your Shopify store. So that's how to import products from other stores to Shopify.